What's up? It's Anupam Patil back into another video. Today we are going to see one of the beautiful waterfall. If you are ready to go, then let's go. Guys, this is Matheran road and climate today is very beautiful.
Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love, hey, hey. If I want something, I got it, hey, hey. Oh baby, I don't need love me, hey, hey. Cause I love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances, I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah.
While going to Dhodani Waterfall, we have catch this nature's beauty.
Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
After Dhodani village, you have to go by walking as there is no road for vehicles.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced.
Guys, we have reached our destination Dhodani Waterfall. Here are some cinematic shots for you. If you have liked the video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Peace out.